All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 17 Ford Fusion. It is a hatchback SE model with 23,000 miles. This beautiful baby blue with black interior, alloy wheels, premium sound system. This car is a salvage vehicle, has body damage, which is, as you can see, it's right there. Boom. The doors. It's got some suspension issue as well. It's got a dent on the fender. Boom. All of this door. This door seems good. It's got some rocker panel damage. I got the spare tire on it so I can drive it around, but the full-size wheel is in the back. His roof looks good. You got your trunk space and what that looks like. I got your wheel in here. Boom. That one needs a new tire. Hold on a second. All right. What else? Got your rim right here. Looking good. So your tire third for this is at 6:30 seconds. That's what your rear passenger seat looks like. No holes, no tears, no rips. This door does have some body damage there as well. Boom. Here's your front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Power windows, power door lights, power mirrors. This vehicle will come with two key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out the pictures for more details. I actually have them right there. Turn on this vehicle for you guys. Got steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. This is what your AM, FM, CD player, on and all that good stuff. You get your AC controls right down below. You got steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is your instrument cluster. It does have an airbag light on and tire pressure light. And your miles of 23,602. Looks good. Turn on the lights. Front driver's rim. I don't see any curbing. Tire thread is at 5:30 seconds. Check this one out. This is your front passenger rim. That one, tire thread at 5:30 seconds as well. These doors do open. Here's one passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips to that. And your other one, rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips to that one. All right. Obviously, the door doesn't close properly. All right. Again, salvage vehicle. All right. That's what it looks like. Boom, boom. Folks, once again, a 2017 Ford Fiesta SE hatchback with 23,000 miles, salvage vehicle with body damage. Any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.